So if you want to create if you want to upload an image to your website, so the first thing you have to do is to create a folder. So right click, then new folder. So let me call it web design. So in this folder I will save my work. So I'll go to my Visual Studio Code or any code editor. So this is mine. Go to this place, you go to file, then go to new file. Now we want to create an index file, HTML file. So type index, enter. So select the folder we want to save it into. So it's in desktop. So it is web design. Click on web design. So inside this web design, now after the index, put .html, meaning that's an extension of HTML. Then create file. Now I've created index.html, right? That's what I've created so far. Now to bring your basic HTML document, press shift, hold your shift down, then 1. So you have exclamation mark, then press enter. So these are our basic documents. Okay, let's create a header. So come to this your body here, this place here. Okay, come to this your body here. Zoom. Now let's bring H1. We'll tap H1. Okay, let's write. This is my first image. Okay, so now for you to upload image, you're using the tag which is img. Just type img, enter. You understand? Just type img, enter. So this is the code for bringing an image to your website. Img is the tag, then source. This source is talking about where are getting the image from. Then alternative, in case the image is not found. Okay, so let me so I want to paste an image in my folder. Go to your folder. So this is my folder. Let me view it so you can see it well. So now I want to paste an image in my folder here. So let me paste image, or let me create a folder so I can put my image. So new folder. So name the folder as img. So this is where you'll be putting all your images. So let me open this img. Now paste the image I've copied. Okay, so this is the image I've copied, which is in img folder. Can see. So this is the image I want to upload on my website. Let me view it so you see it. So this is the image I'm uploading on my website. So I sell these courses in case you want to buy. Alright, so let me show you. Now this is what is in the folder. This is my folder. This is img folder where I'm putting my images, and this is the index folder. So once you open your, so this is when you open this folder, this is what you have. Okay, now don't forget we have a folder and we have an image inside the folder. The image name is, let me rename this. Let me rename it as Aztec. Now rename it as Aztec, right? So this is a png file. So that's the extension png, as you can see. Let me, this is a png file. So let me right click, let me properties so you can see. So as you can see, type of file PNG. So if yours is JPEG, you put JPG. Yeah, so let me do that. So they're asking, it is asking that what is the source. So the source is IMG. So IMG is the source. I'm getting the image from a folder called IMG. So / the name of the image is tech.png, right? Tech.png. Now alternate is saying that in case due to any error or something, this image could not display, what should display? So let me put error. See the reason now, error. So let me show you again. This is my folder. So this is the folder name is IMG, right? That is why we put IMG. Then inside this IMG we have an image which is called tech, small letter TEC, not capital letter, small letter TEC. So in my code here, this means this one is the folder, because this means source. So IMG means the folder, then tech dot, then / this tech.png is the name of the file itself. As you can see, let me show you where it is. So this is a PNG file and the name is tech. Simple as that. Okay, so I will also give an example of using a JPEG file. So let me save. Now go to your folder, go to your index file. So this is my index. So I will open it now. Okay, so let's click on this, open with any browser. So I'm opening with Chrome. So as you can see, this is what my image is showing, displaying. So the H1 this is my first image. As you can see my image now. Let me zoom in for you so you can see. This is my first image. So now, okay, so this image I uploaded. Now the next thing to do is I want to show you the function of this alternate. So let's assume this, look at the name, show you the image of name of this, my image name is tech, right? So let me make a mistake in the name. So let's assume I made a mistake by putting this tech D. No, the name is tech. So let me save. Then let me refresh my web page and see. As you can see, look at what displayed. This is what displayed. Error. Are you saying? So this is that is the main of the alternate. So in case that one cannot display, it will display the other one, because a lot of things do happen at times. So that's the function of the alternate. So let me remove this. Now the second thing for us to do is to upload an image from outside of the folder. You can see that this is in a folder, right? So what about if we wanted to upload an image not from the folder, just in this main folder? Let me show you now. As the image is just here, so let me paste an image. So I want to upload this image. Don't forget that this image is not in this IMG folder. So let me rename this. Let's say web. Do not forget the name is small letter W, small letter E, small letter B. So that is exactly what you will put. This is small letter this small letter T, small letter E, small letter C, H. So everything's in small letters. That's how you put it. So this is WEB. Let's say the file extension. We right click properties. So as you can see, it is JPG file. That's what you put as the extension, JPG, not PNG. So this other one was PNG. Let me show you. It was PNG. So as you can see, PNG file. That's for this one. So let's go back. So this is JPG. Now we are not bringing from a folder, right? So okay, so let me bring another image. So IMG, enter. So IMG. So the source is simply what? Well, this first one was from a folder, right? IMG folder. But since this is not from a folder, this second one, we just write the name. So the name is web, small letter W, small letter E, small letter B. Because if it's not in this way, it will not work. Small letters. If you set it as capital letter, then you put capital letter here. So web dot JPG. That is the extension. So save. Then alternate. What do you want to display? If this cannot display, so let's say error 2. Let's say error 2 is example. But most times you can put or error J. So most times you can put another image in this place here, so that if this first one cannot display, another image will display. But I'm just trying to show you using error, using this right up. So let us save and see if it's going to work. So go to your this thing. So refresh. Okay, so this is our first image, this is our second image, right? As you can see, it worked. But you know, they're just together side by side. If you want to make changes, you can use CSS. But then our aim in this video is just to show you how to upload an image from a folder, outside of a folder, be it a PNG file, be it a JPEG file, and the aim has been achieved right now. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share this video to your friends and families, and also leave a comment, leave a like, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload my videos you won't miss it. Comments any area you don't understand, I'll be very happy to help. So this is a short video on how to upload an image to your website. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, please do not forget.